the latest and greatest thing, which is cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Today is Wednesday the 16th, and I am on my way to work. Let's go. The real mystery is if this case can fit in my trunk of my car, because I haven't tested it yet. Okay. Let's get all this out. Nope. Whoa. Worked. Didn't expect it to. Thought I'd have to stuff it behind the seats. Like back behind there. Or put it on the floor. Who says the art isn't practical? This is an above compartment bag on an airplane. So, you see a lot of people buying cars like this when they're young, especially nowadays with YouTube money and Instagram and all that. Alright, so I've made money in multiple different ways. None of the jobs I've worked have been enough to really afford this car alone, without side projects, other jobs, and saving, and smart with money. I guess starting from the youngest and working to as oldest is best. When I turned 12, I got my first job as a street corner sign holder, you know, like somebody that stands on the side of a street and flips a sign or turns it, you know. I did that, and right then and there, that's kind of what got me into cars. Again, I've always loved cars, but that's really what like got me obsessed into seeing them in person. I've watched them on TV and online. Go check out the Lamborghini website. You know, I saw GTR. I don't even know where I saw it really, because I didn't really know cars, but I saw GTR coming across the intersection. I was able to get a picture. If I find it, I'll include it. So I worked that street corner job since I was 12 and quit when I was 16. I think I started in March, and then I worked until November or December, depending on the winter and how much snow is on the ground. That job taught me priorities, to not call in sick when I'm not sick, to work my ass off to get what I'm paid for. That work, I kind of regret that job for how bad of an employee I was at that job, if I'm honest. Wasn't very enthusiastic with what I was doing, but at the time it was a job, and I got paid. I got paid 2 hours, got paid $5. That's $10 a day, which I mean isn't a lot, but it's something I started on when I was 12. It's something that I found that I can do. So I started that when I was 12, and then I also, you know, everybody mows lawns. I don't really count that as a job. I did that as side work, mowed a couple lawns, moved on from it. So I've always been pretty smart with my money, always saved, always worked. So up until I was about 16 when I quit that job, got a new one. I was 15 when I mean it's technically 16, but my last day working I was 15 actually. So I worked that job until I was 15, because then it's winter, and then my birthday's in January. I started my new job once I turned 16, working at Papa Murphy's Pizza. I worked there for about a week before after my 2 weeks. And then I started working at Envision, which I still work at now, that's where I'm heading to right now. So what I've also done is my media accounts. You know, I do advertising. I'm sure everybody follows one on Instagram. I do advertising. I've done my own clothing through it, like my own designs. And I've done designs for other people. So another thing I do, since I got that first job holding the sign, it got me obsessed with cars. I started taking pictures with my phone, and then I started taking pictures with I got like my mom's, our family camera, those tiny little point and shoot ones. Started taking pictures with those, started uploading them onto Instagram, and then my page grew. It's not massive by any means, but it's mine. And I was able to make money off it through basically that page promoted me doing photo shoots. So I was able to get paid to take photos of people's cars later on, once I started getting to the big DSLRs and all that. So learning from that first job, without that first job, I would not be driving this car right now. Tunnel run? Not loud, but it sounds good. It's still a V8. So yeah, so any first job you can get, you never know what it's gonna bring you. You never know where it's gonna take you, who you're gonna meet, what you're gonna see, what you're gonna learn. Any job is a good job, even if the pay is bad. So yeah, I've done photo shoots, media pages, designs, a little bit of sales, and then the latest and greatest thing, which is cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, all those coins. Definitely helped get me into that last little push of getting this car. And 1 minute late. I just added some stickers to my car, so let's go check it out. I did the install myself, so don't judge it. I'm not an installer, just a FYI. I sit behind the computer all day and just type. I don't open that door. How do I open that door? See if I have any rear clearance view. It doesn't even block my view. I'm actually surprised. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe got some useful tips on what to do to obtain a car like this. That's gonna be it for today. I will see you guys later.